Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss about cardiac efficiency test. Heart has reserve capacity which body draws in case of emergency. Any extra activity above basal level like muscular exercise demands additional blood supply. This additional blood supply is to receive additional nutrition and to remove end metabolic waste products. To meet extra demand, heart rate increases. Increase in the heart rate is in proportion to the severity of exercise. The extent of increase in the heart rate and time taken to come back to the basal level gives you idea about the cardiac efficiency of the individual.
The efficiency of cardiac performance could be ascertained by subjective symptoms like pain and dyspnea, clinical examination of heart, radiological examination of heart, echocardiography, electrocardiography, by performing cardiac efficiency tests. Let us go through how to perform different cardiac efficiency tests. First one is stepping exercise. For that, first you have to take resting pulse rate. Then perform the exercise and then take a recovery pulse rate after mild, moderate and severe exercise till it reaches to the resting level. To perform mild exercise, climb and descend the single step 20 times in a minute. Now, count the pulse rate immediately after the exercise for 15 seconds. And then, at the interval of every 15 seconds, you count the pulse rate till it comes to the basal level. Normally, pulse rate should come back to normal within 3 minutes after stoppage of exercise. This is the diagrammatic representation of how to count the pulse. This way, mild exercise should be performed. To perform moderate exercise, climb and descend 2 steps 20 times in a minute. Then count the pulse rate as before till it comes to the basal pulse rate. Normally, pulse rate should come back to normal within 3 to 5 minutes after stoppage of exercise. This is the diagrammatic representation how you should count the pulse. This is how you should perform exercise. To perform severe exercise, climb and descend maximum 2 steps you can do within a minute. Then count the pulse rate as before till it comes to the basal pulse rate. Normally, it should come back to basal level within 5 to 7 minutes after stoppage of exercise. This is diagrammatic representation of how you should count the pulse. This is how you should perform the exercise. This is the observation table where you can write down your findings. This is the formula for the calculation of work done. To calculate work done, you should be knowing body weight in kg, then height of steps in meters and stepping rate. This is the observation table where you can keep the record. This is how you can plot your recordings on graphs for analysis. Then Harvard step test. Ask the subject to step on and off a bench of 50 cm height at least 30 times per minute for 5 minutes. Then count the recovery pulse rate between the 1 to 1.5 minute, 2 to 2.5 minute and 3 to 3.5 minute. Add the 3 counts and calculate the fitness index. This is the diagrammatic representation of how you should count the pulse. And formula for calculation of fitness index. Fitness index less than 50 is poor, between 50 to 80 is average, and more than 80 is good.
Thank you.